Hey guys, it's Metro, and today we're at Hogpen Gap. We're gonna be doing a short day hike up to Wildcat Mountain and back. It's a beautiful overlook at the summit, so let's keep moving. Okay, so here is the trailhead going northbound at Hogpen Gap. We're gonna be going southbound, which is just down this way. As you can see, the markers run along the road, and then we're gonna cut across and make our way up to Wildcat Mountain. Careful as you cross the road here, making your way onto the Appalachian Trail. Again, follow the blazes. Down that way we'll find some water. This is the way we're going up to Wildcat Mountain. Now this is an aggressive hike. If you have not been here before, then I should warn you that it is straight up for the first quarter mile, half mile from the trailhead. Definitely gonna put some effort out. Let's keep moving. Okay, so at this point, we're almost to the Overlook. If you cut that way, 1.2 miles to Whitley Gap Shelter. We're going to the right. Okay, so I think we're getting to the first overlook. I think there's a little better one just down the way. As you can see, the ridgeline is covered up with leaves. Completely different view in the winter. All right, here we go. This is what I was talking about. Incredible view from Wildcat Mountain. Wow, just awesomeness. Getting to a nice little opening. Wow. I think you can see, I believe that that's Cowrock Mountain over there. Could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure that's what that is. Incredible views. There we go. Just beautiful. Okay, so it's Metro out here on the Appalachian Trail. We just got to Wildcat Mountain. As you can see behind me, the views are just incredible. This is a short hike. It is very strenuous on the front, but again, you can't get views like this just sitting at home. So I encourage you heavily to check out Hogpen Gap to Wildcat Mountain. Definitely worth it. Let's keep moving. Okay, so this is an out and back hike. You just saw most of the footage getting up here, so I'm gonna go ahead and teleport back to the trailhead. Okay, so we're back at the trailhead at Hogpen Gap. So if you found any value in this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and send me your comments as I do respond. As always, thanks for watching, but until next time, let's keep moving.